What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I thought we'd do a little bit of a different video. I'm going to show you around my apartment. We are number 306. Let's go inside. So this is the apartment. It's pretty messy right now, but this is kind of the dining room. We got a table. When I first moved in here, we didn't have a table until my mom found, I think, this one on Facebook Marketplace for $50. We got that. Then there's Dan's bed for the time being. This will be one of Dan's last few videos on the channel, and then I'll be filming on my own if I continue on. This is the living room. We don't have a TV out here because both me and my roommate have our Xbox monitors and stuff that we just watch TV on, but we should get a TV in here sometime. This is the kitchen. There's pizza that someone needs to eat. I would have filmed this if it was clean, but I'm just sending it. I don't really care how dirty it is, but here's the fridge. We got lots of food. The freezer used to be jam-packed, but it's pretty empty now. Now we'll continue on to the hall. I'm not going to turn the light on in this room, but this is my roommate's room. You can't see anything. This is the bathroom. Nothing too serious, just a nice bathroom. Nice thing about this apartment is not like the older style apartments where you have like a separate laundry room that everyone shares. This one has its own attached laundry room, so you just do laundry without having to go to like your own downstairs laundry room, so that's pretty nice. And then this is my room. It's also kind of a mess. I have a bunch of garbage on the floor, of course. And this is my gaming setup. So about a year ago, I got this steering wheel for racing games. It's a lot of fun. I don't use it as much as I thought I would. I need to get back into racing games, but there it is. Just picked up an Xbox Series S, so it's amazing. Like the load times are so much better and stuff. This is my bed with a dirty plate on it. We'll get rid of that in a second, but yeah. Oh yeah, my two Oilers jerseys on the wall. Clefbaum, he's been injured for like 2 years. Kane just got injured, so he's out for a couple months. But as you can tell, I'm an Oilers fan. There's Oilers up there and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that'll about do it for today's video. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Be sure to check out my Instagram at STB_Doug74. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one. Bye.